What's going on, guys? It's Acer KG251Q, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my new 240Hz gaming monitor, you guys. So this is the Acer KG251Q gaming monitor. It is 24.5 inches. It has a 1 millisecond response time, and I am super excited to open this, get it out, play with it, and honestly just have a really good time, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys it right here. If you guys would like to pause it, feel free to. As you guys can see right there, feel free to pause it if you'd like. But like I said, it is 240 Hz and a 1 millisecond response time. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and open it. But first, let me just tell you guys something. I do have a Discord server if you guys would like to join that. We have a lot of fun, a lot of laughs, and honestly, it's just a really fun place. So if you guys would like to go join that, is the first link in the description. And yeah, let's open it, guys. Okay. So, let me just open it. Let me see where the openings are. Okay, so it's over here, you guys. You guys can see right here. And also, one more thing I'd like to say. This is only a $250 monitor, which may sound like a lot. Like, it is kind of a lot of money. But compared to the other 240 Hz monitors on the market from like Amazon and stuff, I went to Micro Center to pick this up, and it was only $250 for a really great quality 240 Hz monitor. So in my personal opinion, this was very, very worth it. So yeah, let's open it, you guys. Let me just stand up. And I'm going to put it on its side, or not on its side, just lay it flat. I would not like to break this monitor. It'd be very unfortunate. Okay, guys. Okay. Back it up a little bit. This will be replacing my main monitor that I've had for a couple of, I think it was maybe 1 or 2 years. I don't really remember. It was a gray monitor. I'll put the screenshot up on the thing. It was a Dell monitor. I think it was the Dell SE 271 or something like that, you guys. But it will be in the link or in the top right card as well if you guys want to see that. So yeah, feel free. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of the way, guys. That works. Okay, so there's the actual monitor. Let's just slide this out and put it on the desk. Keep the box in a nice condition. Wait. Okay. There's the monitor, you guys. That was very tough. There is the manual. We'll just throw a box right over there. Kind of loud, but it's okay. Okay, so we have the stand right here. And then we have more parts right here. I'm pretty sure that's the stand. Don't know for sure. Okay. I will just keep this in its sleeve. Let's open everything else, and then I'll open that up and start to build. Okay, guys. So this first piece, you guys can see right here. Also, this is vase mount compatible, sorry. So I might add a vase mount to it to like put it on the monitor stand. So we have this piece. Listen to right here, this piece. Don't know what it does yet, but that is okay, as you guys can see right there. Next, we have a couple of cables. Okay, so this is the power cable, of course. You guys can see right there, power cable. You guys can see. Little power cable, that's nice. And then we have our HDMI cable in there. I don't think there's any HDMI cable in there. Not gonna unbox that because I have a bunch of HDMI cables to use. And yeah, okay. Then we have, this is the stand for it, I'm pretty sure. Yep, that would in fact make sense. Boom. We have the mount for it. Ooh, it has a nice good heft to it. Pretty nice, pretty good. So there is the monitor mount, as you guys can see right there. Let's just throw all those extra packets. I might as well just open, or I might as well just keep the HDMI close. You know, might as well just keep this. Okay, so we have these two cables, power cable and the HDMI cable. That is what's in the box. Then we have these two stands. I can imagine that this attaches somewhere or somehow. Yep, attaches like that somehow. And yeah, so that's all the cables we have. And like I said, guys, we have the manual right there, LCD monitor. And let's do it, you guys. Let's open it up. Anything else? Let's clear some space for the nice monitor. Okay, perfect. One cover off. And here is the monitor, you guys. Being extremely careful. Oh, there's another cable. Yeah, there is another cable, in fact. That's cool. Okay. There's the monitor. Oh, that's why it was kind of unbalanced. And here is another cable. Oh, this looks like a DisplayPort cable, which is actually really nice and really handy to have. So So we have a DisplayPort cable. So we have a HDMI cable, a DisplayPort cable, and we have our power cable. So 3 cables are included in the box, as you guys can see right there. Okay, throw all that stuff over there and let's open this bad boy. Oh my gosh, I got a little sneak peek of it, you guys. Let's move this chair out of the way, zoom the camera in just a little bit. We have the monitor right here, you guys. Let's open it up. Let's open the monitor, you guys. Oh my gosh. Here it is, you guys. Wow. Throw that over there. Okay. This is actually a very lightweight monitor, as you guys can see right here. We have the nice flush monitor, Acer logo on the bottom right there. Okay. So, very thin bezels, as you guys can see right here. Very, very thin. Really nice. Almost seamless and very cool. Okay, guys. So, also right here we have 4 buttons. Or sorry, we have 6 buttons right here, as you guys can see. Sorry, very poor job. As you guys can see right here. Power button most likely, and yeah, okay. Take a look at the back, you guys. So we have the stand that we put it on, as you guys can see right here. That's where the stand goes, and then we also have 2 HDMI cables and a DisplayPort hole. Okay, so yeah, let's attach the mount. Don't exactly know how yet, but that is okay. We will figure out. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, here is the base, and then this is the actual stand part. So I'm pretty sure, as you guys can see right here, there's a little, let me try and focus some more. You can see right here, there's a little, like, it indents out. So that is where you push it into there, if you guys can see. So I'm pretty sure you go like this, and then you like hook it in, and then push it down. You can see it doesn't move. And then at the bottom here, you just screw this in. Okay. Moves a little bit. Let's see if we can tighten it maybe. Yep, so I'm just using scissors to tighten it, as you guys can see right about here. Okay. Now it is locked nice and solid, as you guys can see right here. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure you're just gonna wanna click it in like that. So let me lower the camera a little bit so it's nice and eye level. I'm just gonna line it up the back here, guys. I can't really show you how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm flashing my light on it. It looks nice and perfect. I'm pretty sure it is attached. Most likely this button will like launch it off. Okay. I'm pretty sure, you guys, that is secured and in. Let me just read the manual just to make sure, because I don't want this monitor like falling off. And yeah, okay. It feels nice and stable, you guys. Now let's set it up. Connect to a computer, simple as that. As you guys can see right here, it seems as though it is nice and basically locked in. If I try and pick it up and like shimmy around, it does not budge. Okay, guys, so as you can see right there, that little button, let me flash my light on it. That button right there, pretty sure it's to detach it from this actual stand. Don't need to right now. It feels pretty nice and smooth and locked in. So yeah, now we're gonna connect a DisplayPort cable, that's the HDMI cable. We're gonna connect the DisplayPort cable, as you guys can see right here, to your monitor. There's a DP right here, you guys, and then there's 2 HDMI slots. And yeah, let's connect it and plug it into my computer and show you guys how it's running. So guys, we have the DisplayPort back here, as you guys can see right here. We're just gonna plug it in. Okay, DisplayPort is plugged in. I'm gonna plug it into my PC. Boom, easy. And now you guys, let's turn it on. Oh, sorry, we need to plug in the power cable first, and then we can turn it on. Power cable. We have that plugged in. Okay, that's plugged in, nice and tight. Okay, now let's plug it into the power. Okay, guys, power is in. So, now that the power is in, let's take this little sticker off. Peel that bad boy off. This is just like all the features. Okay, now it's plugged in. The power, it's gonna go blue. Turn on the PC. Ooh, as you guys can see, it says Acer on it. It said Acer for a little second. Let's turn on the PC. There you go, you guys. PC is turning on. Okay, and there it is, you guys. Simple as that. Plug in the power, plug in the HDMI or DP cable, and boom, as you guys can see right there, it is nice and on. Okay, also if you guys didn't know, this does have speakers on it, which is actually pretty cool. So as you guys can see, it is very nice and very clean. So here are all the buttons at the bottom. Let me show you guys what they do. Okay guys, so this first button right here is the power button, of course. And then it will turn blue when it is on. Okay guys, so the second one brings up the menu. So let's go here. This is sound, so we can turn up and down the volume because this does have built-in speakers in it, which is actually pretty cool in my opinion. On my old monitor, the Dell monitor, it did not in fact have speakers on it. I will also show you guys like the capability, like how loud it is and how nice the sound is. I'll show you guys when I go in. So as you guys can see, pretty simple, and then back right there. Okay, next one we click on right here. This one is the input source. As you guys can see right here, we are using DP, which stands for display port. I'll show you guys. Let me pull it up again. It goes away pretty fast. So as you guys can see, input DP in, then out source just says on. Let's go down. Let's see. Okay. So as you can do on and off, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's it for there. Then I'll click on the next button, which is sound, of course, like I already showed you. This one, which just says MRPT, which is press to activate MRPT menu. And then this last one is the mode, press to activate mode. There is a bunch of different modes. So as you guys see, right now we're on standard, so we can go, and this is just changing the graphics of it, making it lighter, making it darker. So this is actually really nice. Graphics looks like a very nice. I will zoom out and just show you guys how, like, what's changing and everything. So yeah, let's just show you guys. We got graphics, we have standard. Standard is actually very dark. We can go up, we can go sports, user, racing, and then action. I'm gonna turn on graphics because graphics looked very nice, and like I like kind of the dark, or sorry, I like the really light. So as you guys can see right there, graphics is a very bright. I'm pretty sure it's the brightest, just judging from appearance. Okay, so now let's check and show you guys that it runs 240 hertz. Okay, yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how you can set up the monitor so it's at 240 hertz and it's at peak performance, because most monitors out of the box, it will come defaulted to 60 hertz, which is obviously not good. That's honestly just a waste of money. So what you're going to want to do is right click on the desktop and you'll see a bunch of different settings right here, as you guys can see. So you guys, we have a bunch of different settings, and the one we're going to be focused on is display settings. It is the second to the bottom, so we're going to click on display settings, and then it'll open up all of this, you guys. It'll open up all of these settings. You're already going to be on display, and you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom, not so much scrolling, and then you're going to see advanced display settings right here, guys. Advanced display settings. You're going to click on that, and then as you guys can see right here, here's the monitor display KG251Q. That is, of course, this bad boy. We're going to click on display adapter properties. It is at the very bottom. It's in blue. We're going to click on that. Okay, guys, so when you actually click on display adapter properties for display 1, it may say display 3 up here or something, because you may have multiple monitors connected to your one PC. So there's going to be 3 different things right here. So as you guys can see, there's adapter, monitor, and color management. We're going to go over to monitor, and as you guys can see, it says screen refresh rate 60 hertz, like I said. We're going to click on that, and as you guys can see right there, we have 120 hertz, 240 hertz, we have a bunch of 85, we can go lower as well. We have 240 hertz. We're gonna click there, we're gonna click apply, I'm gonna go black a little bit, and boom, you guys, we're gonna keep display changes, and now it is 240 hertz. So guys, I am super pumped to have 240 hertz. I'm gonna pull up like I'm pretty sure it's like a hertz check to see exactly how many hertz you're running. I'll pull that up, and as you guys can see, we're running 240 hertz. Okay guys, so also one thing to note, so I just plugged in an HDMI cable, and when you guys have an HDMI cable in, usually go for the same things, go to display settings. When you guys have an HDMI cable plugged in and go to display properties, and you go to monitor, it's gonna say 120 hertz, and that is because on a HDMI cable, you won't be able to run 240 hertz. 120 hertz is actually not bad, my personal opinion, but that is the max for an HDMI cable, if you guys were wondering. So yeah, that is the max, as you guys can see right about here. Okay, so as you can see, 120 hertz. It's the max that you can go to on an HDMI cable. So 120 hertz is actually not too bad. But yeah, keep changes and boom, 120 hertz. So yeah, boom. Okay, yeah, so as you can see right, it is 239.7 hertz, which obviously it's not going to hit 240 exactly on the dot, but this is very nice and very close. And yeah, so 239 hertz. That's actually crazy, guys. I've been gaming on 60 hertz for my entire life, and I'm super excited to have 239 hertz. Okay, now we're just going to show you guys some games. This obviously isn't a PC test, but I'm going to show you guys some games. I'm just going to run Fortnite and show you guys how nice and smooth it looks. Okay, guys, play it real quickly. Okay, so let's hear the sound. This is max volume, of course. Honestly, sound is not too loud and not too quiet. It's honestly pretty good. Maybe a little bit louder would have been nice, but as a TV monitor, or sorry, as a gaming monitor, to even have actual speakers built in, it's honestly really cool. And the sound quality is pretty cool, pretty solid and pretty nice. So let's test some Fortnite. Let's just uncap my FPS to see what I'm running. It doesn't really matter. I'm running about 100 frames. It really doesnn't matter because I have a kind of an old PC that I'm gonna upgrade quite soon. So yeah, let's just go into a game and I'll show you guys how it is running and nice and smooth. Okay guys, nice scenic background as you guys can see. Game feels quite smooth, just a little bit of lag. Right now we're only running 70 frames, but like I said, my PC is quite old, it's about 5 years old. I'm going to upgrade it soon, you guys. Make sure you look out for an upgrade video. So, like I said, I'm going to be using the speaker sound. Let's just crank a little bit of 90s. Oh, actually, it's quite loud. Okay. I know, guys, my skill in Fortnite is absolutely amazing. So, yeah. Like I said, I've never played 240 hertz. Actually, really smooth. And right now, I'm only running 70 frames. Like I said, it's a 24.5-inch monitor, $250, and I bought it from Micro Center. I checked on Amazon, and it's not at Amazon, so it might be only Micro Center exclusive. And yeah, I'm not the best at Fortnite, guys. I don't know retakes. I just played this game pretty much just for fun. But yeah, okay, so this monitor feels really nice and smooth, you guys. It's obviously gonna look way smoother when I get 240 hertz or 240 frames. 70 frames right now, not bad at all, you guys. Nice and smooth. Actually, it's really smooth. Wow, it feels like I'm playing with motion blur on. I would really recommend 240 hertz. It's really nice, really clean, really smooth. Just turn on a little bit of lights there. So yeah, if you guys would like to pick up this monitor, I will leave a link in the description, guys, if you'd like to pick it up. 240 hertz. Make sure you guys follow the steps to make sure you're running at 240 hertz and not the 60 hertz default. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Make sure you join my Discord server, like I said. Leave a like, subscribe, share with friends, comment, and yeah, that's me, you guys. Double file. Peace.